Hey guys, welcome back. So in the previous video, we talked about how do we search and delete a node in a given linked list. Hope the topic was clear. In case if you have any doubt, please let us know via question and answer section and we will get back to you. In this video, we are going to talk about what are the practical uses of linked list. So the first place where linked list is used is low level memory management. Specifically talking about in a case of a malloc call in C language, linked list comes in picture. Let's understand it using a diagram. Let's say this is our system RAM. Let's say we are writing some C program and at runtime we need some 15 bytes of memory. So to do that, the code is character star pointer is equal to typecasted character malloc 15. Now here we are calling a function called malloc and passing an argument saying that we need 15 bytes of memory and it needs to assign to a pointer which is ptr, which is of a character type. Now system needs to have some provision to handle this kind of runtime requests. So for that we have the concept of heap. So whenever we fire our C program, system automatically allocates a separate memory unit called heap to handle this kind of situations. Now let's say this is that memory area called heap which is within RAM. So whenever we fire this command malloc 15, system allocates a memory unit of 15 bytes also called as heap cell. As you can see, this is called a heap cell and it has got two parts. One is header, one is the body. So the header part contains lot of information. Two most of the important informations are: number one, how many bytes of memory is this heap cell storing? And information number two is it stores the pointer of the next heap cell. Say for example, we call this malloc function once again and this time we ask for 50 bytes of memory. So system once again creates a new heap cell of 50 bytes and links the previous cell with this cell. As you would have already guessed that the linking between two heap cells is done using a linked list. So this is one practical case where linked list is used in system. Now let's move on to the next example. So the next example is the use of Alt Tab button. I am absolutely sure we would have used this Alt Tab button multiple times in our computer usage. All that it does is whatever program that is open in our system can be juggled easily using Alt Tab button. For example, in this case I have total 6 applications opened, that is Chrome, Sticky Notes, My Computer, WhatsApp, Notepad and an email. So every time we press an Alt Tab button, if my current view is at Chrome, then it moves to Sticky Note. Pressing Alt Tab button once again will move to My Computer. Pressing it again will move to WhatsApp and so on. As you would have already guessed, this is a classical example of circular double linked list. Why double linked list? Because Alt Tab button will take us towards right while Shift Alt Tab button will take us towards left. And once we reach to the last application, which is email in this case, if you press the Alt Tab button, it moves to the Chrome application, hence completing a circle. So it is a circular double linked list example. Let's move to the next example, which is Windows Photo Viewer. I am absolutely sure that we would have used Windows Photo Viewer sometime in our life. So it's a very simple application used to view pictures. As you can notice, we have two buttons over there which basically are used to go to the next image or the previous image depending on which button we select. So this is another classical example of double linked list. It's not a circular because once we reach the last image, the next button gets automatically disabled. It never goes to the first image. Hence, it is not a circular linked list. It's a double linked list. With this, we come to end of this video. In the next video, we are going to talk about what are the pros and cons of linked list. Thank you. See you in the next video.